Are we ready? Hello, 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 hello. Can y'all hear me? Can someone hear me? Hello, Benjamin. Can you hear me? Please say yes. Please say yes. Hey, okay. So, analog, I basically am using my audio interface only for input, and basically I'm using my headphones. Let me see if I can do that. Whoa. Hello, can you see me? I don't know, because I need OBS opened. Yes, I think you can see me. Haha. Hello. And yeah, and now I can feel how strange it is, because I'm using my old laptop to monitor the stream, and on OBS I can see myself. Oh, here it is. Now I can see myself. Nice. And so yeah, thank God the audio is good quality. Thank you, Analog Weapon. And also, if I Control Shift this, I can do this, and it's very nice. I did it like 1 hour ago. I don't know, it's pretty cool. And I can do this, and you can see me. And now, hopefully, if I do this, you can see my face and what I'm going to do today. And I hope that it doesn't turn out as a shithole. Delay is about 30 seconds. I don't think so. On my end it's like more than 30 seconds. And yeah, so today I'm going to try and not die. And so there is this thing called P5, and it's a JavaScript it's a JavaScript library that allows you to do a bunch of stuff, but today I'm interested in the P5 sound library, and it's very, very fancy because let me see, p5.js.org. If I go here and I go to reference and I go to where the fuck, here it is, P5 sound, I can see all these things like p5.reverb, p5.convolver, then I don't know what it is, sound loop, phrase, part, score, and those are pretty fucking interesting functions and objects and shit like that. But as you might know or not know, I have like nearly zero experience with JavaScript, let alone P5. And yeah, and today we're going to start really simple with a thing that I know will work because I already kinda did it. Is my webcam okay? I don't know, because it's really precarious. You cannot see, but it's like between scotch tape and a weight, and my webcam is my phone. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess. And so I think, hello Deepwith, hello Deepwith. Can you see me? Haha, I'm a streamer now. Haha. And since Deepwith didn't see what I did before, I think you can see, I don't know. Yeah, now you can see me maybe because I don't have OBS opened on my screen, so I cannot tell. And now back to the page with the code. Let me check. Yes, okay, we are good to go. So first of all, I want to do a program that lets you have how can I, yeah, if you didn't tell, I don't know what I'm doing and I don't know what I'm planning on doing, so I'm trying to come up with something. Yeah, we're going to do like pretty sounds when you click on the screen. So first of all, we can see that we have a thing, and it's kind of white, and this is a canvas that we can draw on top, and we can register events that happen inside of the canvas. And for example, I can do this ellipse mouse x mouse y and 2020, and if I first of all click auto refresh, yeah, you can see that there's a circle on whatever on my cursor, and it's basically drawing the circle where my mouse is. So I'm not going into details because of course I don't know the details, but yeah, let me check chat. Love the hoodie. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty comfy. I would suggest everyone to go get some hoodies with the magpie on top. And so I think let's get started. Let's see p5.oscillator. Let's see what the fuck is this. So we have a creates a signal that oscillates between -1 and 1. By default, the oscillation takes the form of a sinusoidal shape. Additional types including triangle, sawtooth, and square. The frequency defaults to for 40 oscillation per second. Yeah. Okay, so we have sine, triangle, square, and saw. I think we can go with saw. Let me try something here. Let us equals p5 dot oscillator, and we can say saw, maybe. I think that's the keyword. Sawtooth. It's sawtooth. I should check chat. Let me check chat. Check chat. Your webcam is good. Thank you, Analog. I worked really hard for for this, and I'm really excited actually because my new laptop it's a very big upgrade from what I was using, and it's a shithole. It's very, very. I'm very happy, but yeah, the fact that my audio interface is acting really funky because of M Audio and Avid not developing a new driver for Windows 10 machines for the audio interface that I have, so I had to go around the problem, but yeah, it doesn't work really well, and I hope that it doesn't fuck up on the middle in the middle of the in the middle of the stream. So let me first see if the p5.sound, yes, it's included. So p5.oscillator, sawtooth, and we can first of all say, okay, so we have amp and frequency. We can go with frequency. So first of all, let me declare a variable that codes like f and maps the mouse x that goes from 0 to width to 440 and 880. So we have, I will explain. So basically we have this variable half, and this variable through this function map, and I'm analog. If you want to like give context to what I say in the chat, you're really, I really encourage you, because I'm not a teacher. I cannot teach people. So basically this function takes the mouse x coordinate that is basically this. See, I'm moving along the x coordinate, and yeah, it basically scales this variable that goes from 0 to, in this case, 400, from 440 and 880, and it's basically an octave, and it's A4 to A5 maybe, I don't know, I don't care. So if I'm not mistaken, I can say OSC dot frick, and I can just say F, and then I can say no, there's an error. Maybe, is there an error? Can I please say console cannot read property frac of undefined? Yes, of course, fine. This is not C. I need to do this. I need to initialize the object before. Is equal to new p5.oscillator sawtooth, and now I think I'm good to go. Amp, I'm gonna say 0.5 because I don't want to blast y'all. Okay, I think that's pretty high for volume. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Just in case there's this stop button to kill the application. Okay, so here goes nothing, and I bet that there will be errors. Of course, it's not a function because I need to do start. It's not play, it's start. It doesn't sound good, and I bet that the problem here is that I'm starting the oscillator every 60 times a second, because the way P5 works basically is that the this part of the code, what I'm highlighting right now, it's being run every 1/60th of a second. It's basically running at 60 hertz. So this piece of code, it's executed 60 times a second, and basically it's kind of like we are doing some shit with the oscillator, and it doesn't like it, and it's kind of like a distortion. Help me. And yeah, so let me try a thing. So we can say let is playing, so we can say function mouse pressed. I think that's a valid function in P5. I don't is playing equals true. Yeah, I can do just OSC dot start and function mouse released. I think that's a valid function, a valid method. OSC dot stop, maybe. I don't think the compiler is complaining. Stop and start. Okay, yeah, we're good to go. Also, we can do let pan equals. Basically, this, but instead of 440 and 880, we can say -1.0 and 1.0, and let me do it like this to that, because I don't know, sometimes it's better if you would specify that it's a decimal number. Ooh, I don't like when you don't put to the point. Oh, fuck you. And we can say osc.pan, and we can say pan, and basically we are going to change the panning. I hope that on stream it gets yeah, I hope you can tell that it's panning, maybe. So let me first of all put 0.2 on the amplitude of the. Okay. Yeah, it works. It's so this is pretty stupid, but I like it. Those are valid, I think. Try to make another oscillator the same way that runs together with frequency controlled by a vertical axis. Yes, I can do that. And in fact, I will refactor this right here. You know, I will refactor this later. We can say OSCX, SEX, and I can say Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, because apparently this IDE doesn't have a find and replace function. because it's stupid. Or I am stupid and I can find that. OSCY, and we can say the same, so we can initialize a new oscillator, and we can say fx pan x, so it's pretty long-winded, and also get rid of the ellipse because I don't like it, and we can say the same, Control C, and we can say fy and pen y, and instead of mouse x we can put mouse y, and mouse x, mouse y, and also I would like to make it that it goes from 220 to 440, one octave lower, and also yeah, I guess we can, I don't know, let's switch around the panning values, so we can put OSX and just replace everything with y, and we can say fy pan x y, and then we can say this, we can copy and paste. This is basically programming. You watch the reference, you look at the reference, you copy and paste, you modify some shit, and then you look at the console and see where did you fuck up. I'm trying to improve my JavaScript skill. No, I cannot say. I need glasses. I'm trying to improve my JavaScript skills, so this seems like a really fun thing to try out. Yeah, by all means, go to editor.p5js.org and try it for yourself. You don't even need to have an account. You can just plug shit in and test it. But if you have an account, you can save your sketches, and it's cool because you can retrieve your previous projects, and yeah, it's fun. And also you could go with Visual Studio Code that I also use, and yeah, since the libraries for P5 and P5 sounds are on the cloud, you can just put script search. You can copy and paste these two lines in your code, or altogether copy the index.html, and or maybe just copy everything and modify it in your favorite IDE. But yeah, so with that being said, let's try it. Yeah. Let me see if I can find like a good interval. Yeah, on this diagonal there's the when the two oscillators are like kind of unison. Yeah, they are unison. I think that's the term. And the only thing that it's different is that one oscillator is one octave lower, and on this diagonal That's the and also the fun thing with P5.js, and I don't know if that's a common thing in JavaScript, and I just don't know JavaScript enough to tell, is that even if those are the limits of the canvas, those are the borders, you can just keep it clicked and go beyond, and it works. But as soon as I release, strange. It really shouldn't do that, to be honest. Want to see my loop? My loop. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the loop, the draw function. Yeah, there are similarities with the Arduino structure, Arduino code, because basically P5 is based upon, or on, I don't know how to say it, I don't care, processing. And also the Arduino both the IDE and the structure are the Arduino code, it's pretty it takes a lot of things from processing, so yeah. But instead of draw in the Arduino IDE, you have setup and loop, and I hope that I answered your question, Neringsug. And also, can you hear me? My microphone is right here, with it's like strapped on the thing that I used to keep my phone to use as a webcam in the 2000 subscriber special for the Magpie Pirates, and I use like a shoelace to tie the microphone on that. So yeah, it's pretty janky. It's basically the jankiest setup you can have for streaming. And also the fun thing is that if I can do that while I'm not wait, let me try this, but first of all I need to do that. Yeah, you can see my face now, because I can save. In order to save, please log in. I need to log in, and you cannot see my password. Porco Dio, mannaggia la Madonna. Because if you're logged in, I think you can share the sketch with other people, and they can try it on the go. I think this is my password. I don't know. I'm pretty clueless for now. So streamy thing, and I can say file, save, and I can do that. Wait. Okay, now I can switch back. I think this is good. Okay, this is good. Yeah, and I can go to fuck. Well, if someone can copy and paste, like, hello, If someone can copy and paste this, wait. Haha, I'm still getting used to these things. If someone can copy and paste in the chat this link, please, so that everyone can enjoy this sketch while I'm doing this. I'm sorry, my actual computer is, well, I guess I could do, well, I don't know, man. I'm pretty clueless. I'm pretty clueless with everything. So, well, let me wait a minute. I wish I had music playing, but yeah, I couldn't bother. I guess I can do that anyways, but since we're doing something with music, why would I wait? Oh, funny. Since I'm streaming on YouTube Studio the Italian version, if you type porco dio, it asked me to review the message. You got to be admin. Ooh, fuck. Wait. Let me do a thing. Okay, analog weapon. Now you can. Now you can. Fuck. The keyboard layout is kinda very different, and it kinda throws me off. So now that we have I hope analog you what link was I supposed to paste? This one. Let me do another round of this one. Let me this one. This one. This one. I hope I didn't I guess I could have done it with very little effort actually. Let me do it really quickly before analog does it. Is this no, is this good? Maybe I think this is good. Yeah, I think this is mine. Oh god, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, nice. Okay, I saved everyone. I hope I didn't fuck up. Okay, I think I fucked up. No, I didn't fuck up. No, in fact I didn't fuck up. Yeah. Okay, now we're good to go. I think I can do this. Okay. So, I'm sorry, analog. So, so let me see. Okay. Now, what else can we do? So we have two oscillators, but we can also have an envelope. We can do shit with like an envelope. Let me see. Let envelope is a new P5 envelope, and it has like attack time, attack level, decay time, decay level, and yeah, there are a lot of parameters to assign a parameter to be controlled by this envelope. If a P5 sound object is given, then the P5 will control its output gain. If multiple inputs are provided, the envelope will control all of them. I think I can do that. So let envelope is equal to new p5 dot envelope and I think I can need to give it can I get like the fucking constructors? Okay, so I have attack time, attack level, decay time, decay level, release time, release level. So I think we can do for the time being 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and just see what happens. But also I can put sliders. Oh yeah, fuck. In P5 I can easily, well, in JavaScript in general I can control variables with sliders, but in P5 there is a function that says let this equals create slider, and you just give it like boundaries and initial value and shit like that. Yeah. If you want to, if you are interested, you need to go do it for yourself, because I'm not here to teach you. I'm here to try my stream setup. If you didn't, I'm doing this to try, and I hope that nobody is like saying, oh no, DDC, your fucking audio cut out and shit like that. I don't know. I just hope that that's not the case. So now, what should I do? Because I did use this thing. It says that you should start and play, so I can say dot start, and then wait, I think that's good. I don't know. Dot play. No, wait, let me. No, I'm not sure about what I'm doing right now. Let me see. Set input, assign a parameter to be controlled by this envelope. P5 sound web audio param. Can I get an example usage? No. Fuck you, P5. Wait, there should be there should be like another way. I don't remember how the fuck I set the amplitude. I think that if I pass to number object within 0 or a modulating signal oscillator. Okay, no. I'm not sure. just do it like this, I think. Start, play, OCX. Yeah, me too. And look, I just yeah. If I'm looking at the reference, I don't know how to use the code. Can you please give me an example so I can understand? I know that they give us the description of what the function says, the method does, and shit like that. But please, for the love of God, I know the syntax, okay, but how do I use it? How do you usually use it? Like I don't know. It's if I do this, does it work as I intend it to work? No. Maybe release time should be something more than release time. Okay, attack time should be 0.5, decay time 0.5, and release time should be 2 seconds. And also comment this. I should comment this. Reading the docs. Yeah, of course, always. No, it doesn't work as I intended it to work, so I guess that's not the way you do it. But also, I can say this, and I can say also, this. Instead of passing the things. Okay, let me try. Okay, I kinda see there's a little bit of an attack, but I think that you also need the stop in order to trigger the release, if I'm not mistaken. Also, why the fuck did I put envelope.play 2 times? No, it doesn't work as I intended. What the fuck? Why the fuck? Or should I put like 2 envelopes? I think why should be like that? Why should it be like that? And 1. Yeah, okay, so maybe let attack time, attack level, decay time, decay level, release time, release level, and let me read the reference. Create slider. Okay, min max value step. That's it. Creates a slider input element in the DOM. Use size to set the display length of the slider. How can I differentiate between the sliders? No label. Come on. I don't know. I don't guess. I don't guess. And also, okay, so now we need to go to attack time. Wait. Let's do the pro thing. So you do like this and this and this and this and this. Then you delete the create slider and then mix sì, Gesù Cristo, la Madonna. Min max. Okay, attack should be minimum 0, maximum 1 second, and then value, initial value 0.5, why not, and step 0.02, I guess. And we can basically say this, and for release time the maximum value should be 2 seconds because I feel like it, and the 1 second should be, and also I should put like points 0.0 doesn't make sense to me, but you know, sometimes you need to do what you're gonna do. Wait, I wonder if you don't use torque when you use envelopes, or maybe there is a function to trigger envelope. Yeah, the function to trigger the envelope, it's envelope.play. This is to trigger the envelope. But yeah, you made a great point actually. Maybe I should put porco dio. I should put this in setup actually. Maybe. I don't know. Also attack level should be from, I don't know. Also, if I do control Jesu Maria, can I edit tidy code? Shift tab is shift tab, it's not control T. Okay, so create slider, control C, control V, and attack level should go from 0 to 1, yes, decay level 2, and release level 2 because I cannot be bothered to. And now I can say attack time dot value, maybe. Let me see. Jesus Marias. Env is not defined. Env is not defined. Where? Well, yes, of course. Env1 and Env1 for the time being, because otherwise. Okay. Oh God. Line 43. Env1. Okay, the sliders are only in line. Oh God. Let me try a thing, and if I say input, now we're going. Jesus Christ! Stop. If we're going from JavaScript to CSS all of the sudden, display, it should be inline. It's not inline. Look, I don't care. I don't care really. I don't really care. I don't really care. Ta, 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 ta. Maybe if I do this, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Okay, so what the fuck was I doing? Tag time dot value. Look, I love you and all. Yes, I need to do that. Attack time, attack level, and let me see. Attack level dot value. Jesus, value, and decay time dot value. Decay level dot value, release time dot value, and release level dot value, and we should be good to go. But yeah, that doesn't really solve anything, to be honest. And then we just need to do this for envelope 2, and then we do envelope 2, and then we do envelope 2 dot play, and I don't know about this, to be honest, so I just comment it. Let's see what happens. And what I need to do now is to update those values in draw, because if I move the thing, yeah. Oh god. Oh no. No. It doesn't allow me. I bet it doesn't allow me to do that. Jesus Christ. Fuck it. I don't know. Look. Please kill me. Yeah, I created the sliders, but I don't know if there's a way to actually then update those. I bet if I do like env1.attack time, it should work, but I don't know the structure of the envelope object, so I don't know what to do actually. So I just do this, because otherwise I need to redo everything. So I just set what I'm interested in as the initial value of the sliders, because I cannot be bothered to do this. Okay, so attack time we should go for 1, because I like it, and attack level should be 05, and decay time, why not? Uncut. Release level is not defined, because why did I bother typing everything, and now it doesn't work? Fuck you. Maybe I should maybe I should do this, maybe, instead of putting in setup. I think I broke the code actually, so that's pretty fun, and fuck you. God damn it. I think that we should go to a different time where everything worked. So Control Z, you're way into the past, and let's see what else we can do. I don't know. Actually, now that we don't need to do Control Z, we can just delete everything and restart over. So function setup and function draw. Now we can actually make a pretty cool thing actually. Or maybe we can do another thing that's actually pretty better. Haha. I think that because I have these let me see, DDC c.altervista.org/projects/bb. What? DDC BRD maybe? Yeah, that's more like it. But I don't know if this will break everything. Okay, maybe maybe it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work, console? The server respond with encoding promise b5 that is not a constructor with the okay, yeah, we need to open this I hope that what am I even doing right now? Save as new project would be a neat thing to have for life. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, what am I even doing right now? Yeah, let's go for it. So we have we will draw a ball that bounces with that bounces on the sides of the box, and every time it hits a wall, it makes a sound. I don't know, I like it. So pose, acceleration, velocity first, velocity and acceleration. So let's model our physics engine. I don't know. It's what I'm showing you. I learned from Daniel Schiffman on YouTube. Really great channel for this kind of stuff, and it's a really energetic guy. So I think you should go and watch one of his videos. It's really fun. Also, I'm looking at the microphone right now and not looking at the camera. I don't know why. So okay, so first of all, create canvas 400, and then we can say pose equals b5 dot no, it's create vector, and should be width divided by 2 and height divided by 2. So basically we are creating like an arrow that points to the center of the canvas, so that our ball starts at the center of the canvas. Then we can initialize our velocity as a p5.random2d. I think that's not a method for the p5 object. p5.vector. Okay, let me see what this is. What does it say? Angle between refracted random 2D. So p5.vector. Oh, p5.vector. Yes, of course. Dot random 2D. And then, since random 2D gives values that are like less than 1, we should multiply this vector. I hope that y'all are not getting bored and shit like that, because I'm having fun, so I don't care. Fuck you. Decoding Train, thanks Analog. It's a really good guy. So okay, so now we need an acceleration. We can say that the acceleration is actually the gravity. So we can say that 0, 1. So it's basically a vector that's pointing from the top to the bottom. So let me show you what I mean. So I want to create a function that updates the position and velocity of the particle, and knowing that the position of the particle is the ball, not the particle, it's pos, the vector pos. I can say that well, first of all, I know the acceleration, so I can update the velocity just by saying vel.add acceleration. Yeah, it's kind of janky, but it works, and it's really efficient when you don't care about gravitational attraction and shit like that. I don't really care right now, so. And so if I draw a if I do background 0 and I draw an ellipse at post.x and post.y with a radius of 20, and then I call update, it should well, first of all, let's start with 0 initial velocity. So val is create vector 0, 0. So the particle will just fall to the ground. See, for now we didn't implement the we are not checking for the ball, for the position of the ball against the wall. Maybe that's, I don't know how to say that sentence, so I won't really. Hello Lou. And yeah, so what was I saying? I don't know. Let's roll with it though. I forgot. um, well, okay, so first of all, let's have a radius variable, and let's say that the radius is 20. So instead of saying 2020, I say RR. So now I want to say fill to 55 so that the ball is white. Was it white before? I think so. Update, and maybe I can say if post.x is less than 0, post.x is less than 0, or post.x is greater than width, I can say that, wait, post.x plus r, because I need to check for the edge of the circle. So this is the circle, this is the center. If I check the position of the ball against the center, the position of the center of the ball against the wall, it will like rebound when it's already intersecting with the ball, you can see me. But if I check for the center plus the radius, I need to check post.x minus r in this case, because it depends on, like, imagine this is the positive direction of the x-axis, this is post.x minus r, and this is post.x plus r. I hope that I'm getting this good. So this is minus, this is plus. If I check the position of the center of the ball minus the radius against the wall that has that's at x equals 0, I will find the not the intersection, but the if the circle is tangent to the wall, if it touches, I'm not good at explaining. I know how it works, but yeah, don't tell me to explain. I don't even know why I'm explaining this, to be honest. And also, these glasses are fucking my nose. God damn it. There's the thing that goes on the nose. It's really tight, and I don't know. Maybe my nose will fall off. I don't know. Please send help. So now I can say val.x times equals -1. So if I find that the ball is touching the wall, I want to reverse the sign of the x component of the velocity. And now I think that most of the people in the chat will go like, what the fuck are you saying, Didi? I don't know what you're talking about. And I hope that I'm wrong, but also I don't know. Yeah, just imagine, this is positive velocity, negative velocity. You understand? You understand? Yeah, and the same thing goes for the y velocity. It goes, this is negative, at least in the P5 and in anything related to programming, drawing on a canvas on the web and other shit that I don't know. Basically, the y direction is positive this way. So touch negative goes down. By analog. So now I can check for the position, the post.y minus r is less than 0, or post.x plus r is greater than height, because the y component is the height of the box. Val.y times equals -1, and I hope it works. And also we can say, like, let attenuation, because I feel like it. Attenuation is -0.9, and instead of multiplying by -1, we multiply by attenuation, and this will simulate energy loss in the system. Basically, we are not we are not making the ball bounce at the same velocity, but at a slightly less velocity, so to simulate energy losses. I hope that it's clear, and I hope it works. No, it doesn't work. So that's cool. Why the fuck doesn't it work? Maybe I should. Let me see. This is wait a minute. Let me try this. No, I didn't see. Let me try. No. I did it wrong, but I don't know what I did wrong. Let me. Attenuation is. Let me see -1 if it works. Wait a minute. Interesting. Wait, let me. When you're in doubt, just put print statement. Print x intersection and y intersection. Shift tab. I hope that I'm not boring I'm not getting you bored, but also you're free to leave if you're bored. Let me see. Oh, nice. If post.x minus r. It doesn't. Let me. Porco Dio. I don't really know what am I doing. Yeah, this was supposed to this was supposed to be about kind of music, but yeah, we had our time with music, and that's it. Fuck it. Fuck, really, god damn it. Let me try. Wait. Oh, what? Did anyone see that? Oh, what's happening? Why? What? Yeah, this is stupid. This is really stupid. Am I checking? Oh, maybe I understand what's the problem, because the ellipse function doesn't actually get the radius inside, but it's the diameter. So if I put 10, no, it's really x intersection. Can I please get post.x? Can I please 8 why 3 8 x? Maybe I should check post.y, since the fucking post.y. Let me see. 420. Hey Andre, t'ha passata una paralisi. I'm getting these numbers that they don't make sense actually. Why? Okay. Let me try a thing. Let's just disregard this and say post.set mouse x mouse y and see if y intersection, it works. But now x intersection kinda works. But this doesn't work. Where is your 0 for y? Is it actually at the bottom of the canvas or somewhere else? It's at the top left corner for some reason. So I don't know why. It's right here. Here's his 0 0. This is 0 0. So I don't really know why it's going. It's I don't tell it to turn in the middle of the canvas. Yeah, that's an interesting thing that never happened to me actually. This is really this is supposed to be a really simple thing to do, actually. So I don't really know. Let me try this. Let me try. It should be post.x. Okay, let me check with x intersection. Here we go. Y intersection. Why is it Y intersection? I don't know. You have post.x minor. No, I don't. This is major equal. So you're checking if y pos is smaller than 0, then you check if x pos is larger than height. Oh, yeah, maybe that might be the problem, but actually I don't know. Yeah, that might be the problem. Post.x, post.x, post.y, post.y. Okay, so I can kinda go like this. Thank you. Okay, yeah, thank you, knitting sug. But yeah, it's pretty buggy. Yeah, it's pretty buggy, and yeah, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't. Okay, so okay, let me do a thing, because so now that we know that it's checking against the right things, I can say post.x equals r, and also val.x equals attenuation times equals attenuation, and I can say that again for y. Let me stop it for y, and I say post x post y, and I can say, because now I'm basically, when I detect an intersection, yeah, just like in JavaScript, you have sometimes when you're dealing with objects, you have to say this dot and something else. It's sometimes you just forget, and you know, you wonder why the console is saying that the object is not defined, and then you go and say, okay, I forgot to put this dot, and you are like, okay, I understand you. So now we can say post.x is equals to whites minus, and we say that so that we reset the x position of the ball to be the width minus the radius, so that the ball is perfectly tangent to the wall. And of course we have velocity.x times equals attenuation, that it's a negative number. So the vector, the velocity vector, it goes the other way for the x direction. For the y direction, it's pretty similar. But I can repurpose that instead of this and say post.y plus r is height, post.y height, and vet.y. So now let's check for errors like the one from before. Y, 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 x, 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 x. And yeah, now let's see. And now it's bouncing. Nice. I'm fine, Andrea. Io sto bene. Tu come stai? Io sto come una mina. Però non ho fumato. Yeah. You didn't hear anything. I didn't say anything. It's all in your head. Why it's bouncing like this? I didn't put attenuation. Let's put attenuation back. And also, okay, so now it's behaving like a kinda normal ball. And also now we can have fun. We can have function trigger sound, and we can have all sorts of fun with this. Not necessarily, but we can try. Trigger sound for every single fucking check. So because I'm sure there's a better way of doing this, but so now every time the ball bounces, we are calling trigger sound. And yeah, I should put like -1 because I can see a lot of problems arising from the fact that the ball is rolling. Why the ball is decaying? Why is decaying? I don't understand that. Now it's gonna make ball go ping. Oh yeah, ping pong. I can do that. Oh, okay. Wait. I can do that. Let's say let ping, and I can say ping is equal to p5 dot oscillator, and I can say sine, no, sine, and also let me see. P5 dot oscillator. Also, did the sound ever fucked up or something like this? Let me know, so that I can try to fix it in the future. Okay, so frequency and type. Okay, let's see. Okay, sine, and that's good for now. And now we can say that we can say let p, and we can say p plus plus. So we increment the if I okay, so p is equal to 0, p is 1, p is a plus plus, and if p is greater than 1, p is equal to 0. So we basically have a variable that goes from 0 and 1, 0 and 1. It's a Boolean variable, but since I'm not familiar with JavaScript, I don't know if I can use actual Boolean values, because I'm a mess. I don't know how to do anything. And so we can say if p is equal to 0, first of all, let's say let f, if p is equal to 0, we can say f is equal to 440, else f is equal to 550, and we can say ping dot frequency f cannot read property frac of undefined, of course. Why? I don't understand. Why? Read property frac of undefined. Ping is equal to new. I forgot the new thing. So if I say ping dot start yeah, it's kind of fun. And now it's going crazy because it's detecting let me stop, because the ball is rolling on the bottom side is rolling, and it thinks that it's bouncing while actually it's rolling, because the only way we are checking that the ball is bouncing is by checking the distance between the center and the edge of the floor of the scene. And yeah, when it's rolling, the position is always the radius, and we are in fact checking if the position plus the radius is greater than or equal to height. And height, it's basically the position at which the floor is, because the origin of this whole scene is at the top left corner of the canvas. And I think that let me see, yes, it's at the top left. So so if this is 0, what's on the bottom, it's actually the height of the whole scene. So when it's rolling, it kind of triggers the sound continuously, and then it gets crazy, and I don't know why. So let's do something crazy before I wrap it up, because it's kind of late. I'm sorry. Instead of attenuating, we are now amplifying the the velocity. And yeah, it's kind of fun. Ha ha ha, funny. Ha ha ha. Oopsie. Let me do it more subtle. Hey, let's see. Let's see how much time it takes. Really? You're a disappointment. You're a real disappointment. The police! The police! Ah, the police! Okay. Yeah, it's pretty fun, I guess. Not what I was thinking about doing, but yeah. As long as we're having fun, I think that's a win. So yeah, I broke the ball. So now it's time for me to wait. I think that's the correct scene. Yeah, that's the correct scene. Hello. Haha. Look. This is my new laptop, and this is the way I'm talking to the microphone, and that's my old computer with the mixer so that I can amplify the microphone. The interval, I don't know. I sincerely don't know. I took two numbers, Andre. I took two numbers, and I don't really know. So if you're interested in that, you should really check out something on Google. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, look at the microphone. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how everything performed tonight. Even if I didn't understand much of what I was doing, I had fun. So I don't know. I guess I'll see you later. And so have a nice day, night, whatever. And thank you for joining, even if it was really a shit show. But I had a lot of fun. So I guess see ya. And now I guess I'll do that.